Jamison, thanks. Well, the Criminal Reform Act is tackling technical violations in Pennsylvania's probation guidelines.
And our Pennsylvania Capitol reporter, Kara Jeffers, has more information on how a new law has inspired hope and some doubts.
I first got on probation when I was 12 years old. I thought I was going to be protected, but I was prosecuted.
LaTanya Myers has advocated for probation reform for years.
I couldn't take myself back to school if my mother didn't wake me up. I couldn't get in the house if I was locked out. But my probation officer will find me in violation of technical violations.
Last Friday, she watched Senate Bill 838 be signed into law, the Criminal Reform Act. The law clarifies and updates rules about technical violations.
And your probation officer says, you have to be in my office at 12 o'clock in the middle of the afternoon to see you to make sure you're doing well. You just started a new job and you have to tell them, well, if I leave, they're going to tell me you don't have a job. All those kinds of things are called technical violations. When you technically violate, they can return you to prison.
The act brings uniformity.
The guidelines are Erie to Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg,
and creates chances to get off probation early if guidelines are met. There was criticism that it complicates instead of bringing change. The ACLU of Pennsylvania says the act, quote, does nothing to limit the amount of time someone can be sentenced to probation, and it raised concern about a new administrative probation for those who have not finished paying restitutions. Many organizations across the political spectrum, though, gave an impressive amount of bipartisan support for the Criminal Reform Act. The law goes into effect midsummer of 2024. Kara Jeffers, Erie News Now.